Imagine yourself in this 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear head airbag, trip computer, security system, power windows, automatic headlights, rear spoiler, CD player, and heated front seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.